In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain to Notion and make a free website. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your notes, tasks, and projects, and with the ability to connect a domain, you can elevate your workspace by creating a shareable public site, all without spending a dime. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, you'll need to open Notion and navigate to the settings. Within these options, look for the section titled Public Pages. This is where you'll be managing the pages you plan to share with the world. Once you've made your way here, you'll notice an option to add a domain. Let's focus on that next. Clicking on Add Domain will start the process of connecting your selected domain to a Notion page. This step is crucial as it lets you personalize the URL that your site visitors will use to access your page. By using a custom domain, your website gains a touch of professionalism, making it memorable for your viewers. Now comes the part where you will need to insert the necessary information. This includes your domain name and related details that will help Notion publish your page correctly. If you're unsure about any detail, your domain provider's website or customer support can assist. Ensuring that every bit of information is correct will guarantee that your domain is active and pointing to Notion without issues. An essential tip here is to double check each entry you make. Mistakes in domain settings are one of the most common issues many face, but they are easy to avoid with careful attention to detail. Look for any typos or inconsistencies and ensure that everything matches your domain provider's records. After these entries are confirmed and submitted, Notion will link your custom domain to the designated page. Depending on your domain provider, the changes might not reflect immediately. DNS changes normally take some time to propagate across the internet, so don't be alarmed if your new website doesn't show up right away. It could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours for everything to process. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully connected your domain to Notion and created your free website. This setup takes your Notion workspace to a whole new level, allowing you to easily share your resources with friends, colleagues, or even a larger audience. If you encounter challenges along the way, don't hesitate to revisit any of the steps or reach out to your domain provider's support. Connecting a domain may seem a bit technical at first, but with these steps, it's really a straightforward process. Now, your Notion page can serve as your online hub for sharing information in a cohesive and visually appealing format. Good luck and happy building.